Welcome to the Word 2010 video series. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to add and edit headers and footers in our Word document. Now over here, you'll notice I've got quite an extensive document that is 32 pages long. So the first thing I'd like to do is, because I'm going to be printing this document, I would like a header to print on the top of each page, as well as page numbers to print on the bottom of each page. There's no need to do this manually, as we can use something called headers and footers. So headers is something that exists on the top of the document that you can basically fix for the entire document, as well as your footers. So let's have a look at how we do this. There's two ways of inserting a header. The first way, you can go to the Insert tab on the top of your screen and click on the Header or Footer option. So if I go to Header, I can choose an existingly formatted header, or I could go down and say Edit Header. And in my header, I would like to have something that says ABC Company. And if you'd like to align that, you can also go to your Home tab and do the necessary alignments that you would like to do, as well as make your font maybe a bit bigger. And then once you're done, you can then edit the header section. You will also notice, though, before you go out, is while you're in the header section, there'll be a little Design tab that pops up at the bottom of the screen. This will give you a whole lot of options to insert different types of clip art, pictures, and manage your header a little bit better. Once you're done, you can click Close Header and Footer. You will notice this header will slightly dim. That means you can't really edit it. You can't put documents over it. You can't paste information over it. It's now part of your document when you print. Another way, which is much easier to insert a header, is you just double click within this gray section in Microsoft Word, and it'll automatically take you to the header section. And when you're done, you just double click in the middle of your document again, and you are done. Now let's go and insert a footer. So to insert a footer, I'm just going to double click here in this section, or you can go through the Insert Footer menu. And inside the footer, I'd like my page numbers, which makes it easier for the audience to read my document. So under the Design tab, you'll notice under the Header and Footer group, there's a page number option. You can choose the top or the bottom of the page. You can also manage your page margins, and you can choose a current position, which is formatted pre-existing page numbers. So I'm going to put over here accent bar 1, and that's what my page numbers will look like. Then I double click into the middle section again, and I now have my footer. If I scroll down, I can check it is working correctly and updating my document.